Hi everyone, today this is Diana, and we last time we made this Preschool spooky, and you can go check it out on YouTube right now. So when we go there, today we're gonna draw Yarny Boy. Yarny Boy. So we're gonna draw it. So we got all the colors of the sheep. So we're gonna start.
We're gonna welcome.
Four. We'll start at the bottom.
Circle place. We'll split this in half with a straight line coming down. Push the money out toward the start.
We're gonna large, then large.
Small circle open.
Split. There we go. Okay. Go.
Think what?
Okay, guys. We'll make another circle. Remember to look at this webinar to like and subscribe if you like it, and you subscribe. It's fine. And remember to hit it down and the like. Look to the butterfly. And we can do a lot of hair, very hardly. But I love to color it.
Now we're gonna down and draw a curve of the mouth, starting on the left side.
We make a
On the left side of the line.
but basically, this is my hair part now.
Oh, and curl. Yep. Forward.
Can we just do all like lines, and then we can like circle it? That will be an easy way instead of just
Working. Hold it.
But he has beautiful hair right now. I'm a beauty. And hot dogs. Wait. You're speeding up. Try not to be up.
Blue bomb.
What if I'm waking? I don't.
The top is filling those gaps. So it's roughly top of that.
Hey, you're gonna like it, yes. You're gonna do one over here. Why are you covered in yarns? Bro, I wonder why. No one knows why. Leave it over or to comment. Gonna do it here, friends. Very deep claw, you know what I mean?
Top of the claw with the
In behind, going round.
draw the top of it. Last.
Are we done now? I don't think so.
Yes, can't we have to hey, they do it.
I'm just gonna make my own claws. I'm gonna work this. Stick it out there. Why did I do that? Well, it doesn't speed up. On this Brunky, I made it black, but this time I'm not gonna do it. It's gonna take a lot of time. So you're gonna take a lot of time. So put it right here. Okay, so I paused the video and I made yarn all on my own. A bit of time. Say what? So this guy kid. Keep going. And we ain't gonna wait. I'm gonna pause the video for extra time.
Filling the art when I had a spot for color.
And how we do you want to be fruit pulp this time. So let's go. We're gonna pause the video again, and you could pause the video too. When I'm done, you could pause the video and make little cards on the cameras. Tense. So I am done doing my yarning, and I remember I was going on YouTube and I saw this. I'm a little baby boy, I'm a little baby boy, my toy. And there was like a yarny inside. And I was done making it right now. I use my finger to make it tea because it was cool with my finger. So now I made 6 you. Kansas. Catkins. Grunty. Yeah, I have them made so my friends. Now we're all done. So, bye. Have a good day.